Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, may not have to wait much longer for a big payday. Analysts say that 2010 will be the year of social networking IPOs, and Facebook is the deal that everyone is waiting for. Our own Sheila Dharmarajan takes a look at whether this hype is a signal for buyers to beware. Sheila?
Well, Scarlett, that's right. There's so much hype around Facebook and other social networking IPOs like LinkedIn and Twitter. But experts we spoke to said, look, where there's sizzle, there is potential for investors to get burned. Take a listen to what David Menlo of IPO Financial had to say about that.
With an offering like Facebook, we might have that big rock thrown into a rather calm pond, big waves, and then afterwards everybody's looking over their shoulder after they've bought the stock and say, well, what's next and who's buying the stock to push it up even higher.
And analysts we spoke to said it's really about that what's next factor that investors will be focused on for these social networking IPOs. So, for example, can a company like Facebook maintain and expand its user base? As one analyst put it, with moms and grandmas joining Facebook now, is it really that cool to be on the site? Of course, everyone remembers what happened to MySpace and AOL and how they lost that cool factor. Now, another factor people are thinking about is whether Facebook can expand its brand to other sectors like Google. So, for example, they recently launched a payments application. And whether that takes off will be very, very closely watched, Scarlett.
So it sounds like people are worried that Facebook might have jumped the shark here. What do experts think Facebook should be valued at?
You know, we talked to several people about this, and anywhere from 8 to 10 times revenue is what we're hearing. Now, in terms of revenue estimates, anywhere from $500 million up to $1 billion. So taking that into account, we're talking about a valuation of up to $10 billion, Scarlett. But, you know, it's interesting because the biggest sign that Facebook might actually be better for friendships versus investors' wallet is the fact that while several people were very quick to put those revenue multiples on a valuation for the site, actually not one person could confirm to us whether the company was actually cash flow positive. So something to keep in mind for this year, Scarlett.
A pretty important detail, you would think. All right, thank you so much, Sheila Dharmarajan on a Facebook IPO.